Alright, here is a look of my low budget mods on the Corolla. This is with the Rev 9 Street Fighter coilovers and inky 18-inch wheels. So today what we're going to do is we're going to add a front lip. So let's give that a shot. Alright, so we got this Extreme online store front lip, EOS front lip. And if the name sounds familiar, it's the same company that makes the muffler that we installed. Let's give it a shot. Using some tape, keep it nice and secure. Looks like it comes in 3 pieces. That looks like the left side. Same thing on the right side. Okay, and two front ones, right? Let me see, 1. 2. Let's see. I'm not sure how that's gonna go on, but and some mounting screws. Okay, let's give it a shot. All right, so all the pieces go together like that, pretty easy. The bottom lip goes underneath that, and it sits up like that. Looks pretty easy. So let's mount it all up. So in the screw pack, we're gonna connect it like you saw before, but underneath, we're gonna connect with, I assume it will be these screws. So what we're going to do is we're going to assemble them upside down and screw them in. Alright, so we want to do the bottom lip part first, so I'm going to put those things together. Be very careful if you're going to use an electric drill. I have it on the lowest setting. Okay, so once that part is in, then we could screw in the other part of the lip. Let's see, make sure I'm doing this right. Ooh. Alright, so now we're going to screw in the bottom part. Alright, we'll get them all in. Alright, so here's a look at before. Just take a look around at before. We're going to install it up and we'll take a look at after. All right, so there are all these nuts right here underneath the car, right there, and it should line up with these holes right here. So we're going to take it off and then install it first before we put on any tape. All right. Got all those screws in, and it fits so well I didn't bother to put in the double-sided tape or the extra self-tapping screws. Right, wow, that is a lip. Let's take a look at it. Take a look at it sideways. I'm not sure how we're gonna get down this driveway as low as the car is, but I think you could actually even take out this bottom lip right here if that's what you want to do, if it sticks out too much for your taste. but my son likes it. Well, you can see with the car as low as ours is, how much height that is. But you can see that lip extends out. And the nice thing is you could actually remove this bottom piece. And we may end up doing that just because it was already scraping as we were leaving the driveway. So we'll probably end up taking off this bottom piece and just running the top piece.